Hello student, hello student, let's unlock Ijmb 2024. In this 2025, I have come up with an amazing package known as the Ijmb Study Pack 2025. Inside the study pack, we have amazing and interesting materials that will level you up for your upcoming examination, ranging from the AZ IUPAC nomenclature, a complete guide that will get you stand out when attempting organic chemistry. I have interesting past questions ranging from 2021, 2023 down to 2025 to 2024, and series of question and answer completely solved and explained level up to meet up your demand for 2025. Ijmb 2024 question, chemistry, physics, biology completely solved with full explanation to meet your requirement. It's a study pack. Also have past questions for you, series of past questions, and best, my note is made available for you, self-explanatory on mechanics ranging from measurement and dimension, motion, projectile motion, circular motion, momentum, work power and energy, gravitational field, elasticity, surface tension, fluid motion, vibrations and wave, Doppler effect. You will not love to miss out this amazing opportunity. So I encourage you to subscribe, check the description, and reach out to me to get your Ijmb 2025 study pack. Okay, welcome student. In order to keep my video short, I had to try a simple method. I had to employ this method, and I believe this will be using for now so far. So look at paper 2. This is physics paper 2. As you could see, this is physics paper 2. Just let me show you. This is physics paper 2, and what happened last year was that I was really focusing on mechanics because that was the most difficult area for students. But in this year, I'll be answering both physics, chemistry, biology, and even mathematics. So look at question 1. Look at question 1. A monochromatic light propagating from medium 1 of refractive index N1 to medium 2 of refractive index N2. If the angle of incidence is I and the refracted angle is R, under what condition or relationship between N1 and N2 the refraction will produce the following result: I is equals to arrow, I at 2, I is equals to less than arrow, and I at 3, I is greater than arrow. And this is the method I employ. Okay, in case you saw the short clip, you are encouraged to get the Ijmb 2024 pack, and that is what I'm using here. It's so simple, self-explanatory. I took my time to make sure students get it right, because I may not be possibly be able to make all the videos that will help you before the years run out and before your exam approach. So that is why that pack is made available, and I've answered everything you need to know, and it's simplified. So look at the answer now. Sure, let's use Snell's law to analyze the condition. Snell's law states that N1 is equals to N2, okay, sine arrow, you get. So N1 and N2 are the refractive index of the medium 1 and medium 2 respectively. So I is the angle of incidence, R is the angle of refraction. Now if you carry a rectangular glass block, you get this experiment is carried out in the lab. I believe that in most of the centers they don't have time to do that, and I don't know what better way I could explain this to you, but I'm just here to help you and to give you an insight. You can do your finding. So see this answer to number 1. If the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction, it means that the light is not bending when passing from medium 1 to medium 2, of which that is not fulfilling refraction, or you get, which is not supposed to. And in other words, the refractive index of the two media are the same. And the test for refractive index, we normally check the thickness of the glass, we calculate that. So now look at II2, and if the incident ray is less than the refracted ray, what happens? If the angle of incidence is less than the angle of refraction, it means that the light is bending away from the normal. It's bending away from the normal when it enters medium 2. You place a rectangular glass prism, glass block. I don't know how to make it possible, but it, capture it. If you don't know it, pick up your phone, browse rectangular. You see, when you pass a light through it, there's supposed to be a refraction. There's supposed to be a refraction, and when that happens, it means this happens when the incident ray, this happen when n is greater than n2. In other words, the refractive index of the first medium is greater than that of the second medium. Now see the third answer. If the angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction, it means that the light, in the other words, the refractive index of the first medium is less than the second medium. You see, the reason why I want you to purchase that pack, so you feel free to ask me more questions, and if you need further explanation, you have full access to me. You ask direct question, you reach out to me, and with other students are already reaching out to me, and you feel free to bring any question as touching Ijmb, because fortunately I was an Ijmb student over 6 years ago, and I have an idea, and this is the best way to answer your question. I made it so this is the best way to answer your question to get your complete mark. Remain blessed.